Here we go, rolling. Go ahead, cue camera. Go 10.
Right, I'm going to show you installing an irrigation system. Easy as sandpit, a glass screen, a fire pit, keystone block retaining wall, this beautiful treasure chest. G'day, I'm Stan Scott. Today I'm going to show you how to change a tap washer. Now, a great way to improve the look of your room is by swapping out your door handles. Putting one up isn't much of a drama. I'll be installing that one on this door. So that's your sandpit done, easy as. Woo.
Hi, I'm Chris.
If you love chilies,
Hass avocado, garlic, raspberries, kumara.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to lay natural stone pavers on a mortar bed.
Oh, yes.
I just want to do it, all right? I'm going to do it. It's all about making DIY easy as.